Alright, you guys, all the snow has melted where we stay at, and as you can see, we brought us some and put our own snow down because all our snow has melted where we stay at. So Mommy's about to get out and hide all of these things so Miracle can open something today in her scavenger hunt. Let's see if she can find it. So how you guys? It's a little bit chilly out here today, and we're at this park, and we were going to have this awesome and epic scavenger hunt, but as you can see in the background, all our snow is gone. It's melted. But we're about to get on with the scavenger hunt, and we're going to see what Miracle can find today. It's really chilly again out here. It's cold, so if you're outside, button up, put some gloves on, hat on. Miracle left hers in the car. Let's get to going. Oh my God, you guys! So Miracle Dad has the things that we're going to hide from her. Dad, we got to put it somewhere where she really can't find it. So you guys, she's out playing. She doesn't know that we're actually hiding her things. So, whoops, please clean up after your pets. Where's the second one, Dad? Dad is leaving, you guys. We got these high from Miracle. And Dad is going to have to help her on the scavenger hunt because we don't know what's in these bushes. Dad has them all hidden, you guys. Oh my gosh! They're all hidden. Miracle! Chanel! Let's go. Where is she? So we had to find Miracle so she could get ready to go to Dad. Yeah. Oh, you guys. It's very cold out here. It's very, very cold out here. We're ready to do the scavenger hunt with Miracle. So do you think you're going to find out where they're at, Chanel? Yeah. Okay, let's start. What do you think the first one is at? Let's go looking for your L.O.L.Surprise. What do you think they're at? Did you find anything?
No.
So Miracle, did you find anything? Miracle didn't find anything right there, you guys. Oh my gosh. It's cold out here. Did you find anything, Miracle?
No.
It's very chilly. You have some people out here walking. Oh, she's getting hot. She's getting hot. She's getting hot. Miracle found her first one. Yay! Let your friend see what you got, Miracle.
Someone get that one.
It rolls over from her, but this is what she found first. You did it. Let me see, Miracle. Let me see you with it. You did it, baby girl. Take it to Dad. So, friends, you have to find the other two so we can unbox something. Let's go, Miracle. What do you think the next one is at, Miracle? What do you think the other one is at?
Over here somewhere. Maybe.
So, what are you going to look at over here? You're getting hot, Miracle. She did it. All right, let's find the other one, Miracle. You're getting hot. You're getting hot, Miracle. Woo! Hot. Hot. All right, there. Where are all of them? All right, Miracle, let's line them up. Getting real cold out here. All right.
1, 2,
Two, three. Two. We found two LOL on the wraps. And a LOL little sisters or big sisters.
Big sisters.
Series. What series is that, Dad? Series 1.
Series Ashby.
Okay. Just one, Dad. Let's get some guys. The scavenger hunt is over, right, Miracle? What did you find, baby, on your scavenger hunt?
I found the series 1.
Like a poopsie. So let's begin to unbox something. Which one are you going to open?
This one.
All right. Go ahead, baby. It's very cold out here, you guys, and my baby took her gloves off. So the LOL under wraps fell. Mom, you get this. These
That is
LOL
helping
balls
me a
can
little
be kind of
bit.
hard to open.
That is helping
Kind of chilly.
So,
Guys, Miracle's unboxing what she found, the series 1, and she has sour pus. Pus. It's a lemon and a cat. Hi, Poopsie Unicorn.
cat.
Sorry, cat. Oh my gosh, I wonder what you're gonna get, Miracle. What do you think you're gonna get today, baby girl?
I don't know.
Don't know.
Ah.
So and it's real windy, it's real cold. Like I said, we had a little light snow, and it disappeared by the morning. And Mom can't actually come out and play in the snow like that. But look at my little cat over here.
Can I get it out?
Oh, look at all the little surprises. How many surprises came in here? 1, 2, 3. Okay, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it.
No.
Okay, let's unbox, baby.
2, 3, 4,
5.
5.
Yes, you did a good job at counting, Miracle. Okay, when you open it, put it in here, baby, so it doesn't drop.
I'm gonna do it over it, so.
All right, you guys. Got Miracle opening. Toy.
Coming out.
It's very cold, so her daddy is going to assist her today because it's really chilly and windy out here. We're going to go home and make some chocolate tonight. Right, Miracle?
Little shoe.
Oh, they're little shoes.
Oh, that's the pinky.
Oh my gosh. You guys, look at the little pacifier. And look at the little shoes. It's so cute.
I got this.
Isn't it, friends? Can you let us know, have you opened an LOL Series 1 yet? Who's your favorite? Leave a comment below in the box. And look at her little bottle. So the table has holes in it, so we can't put anything on the table. Oh my gosh, that's her little bodysuit. Oh, Miracle, what did you get, baby?
Let me open my flyer.
Daddy's gonna help her. Isn't she so cute? Poopsie says, I wanna play with you. And she says, I'm gonna play with you, Poopsie Unicorn.
I got it.
Rainbow. Is it Rainbow Brightstar?
Yeah.
And I'm gonna play with Miracle Chanel too. Oh, you wanna play with my baby? Oh, it's a cute little heart.
Look, you guys.
Oh my gosh, what do you get, baby? I'll let you talk.
Her.
Go around with your friends, see? Miracle, you have, we're gonna soon have them all soon. We have Raw High Knee from the Glam Club. You go, baby.
I'm gonna dress her up now.
You're gonna dress up? We're still looking for that rear. We're gonna get her soon. But we have the queen bee at home. We got to bring her back out. Awesome job, Miracle. You're an awesome girl. Oh my gosh. She is so cute. I like leading lady too, Miracle and Miss Baby.
Can I dress her up?
Cutie.
I'm gonna put Patsy
Oh, Daddy is helping her get her dress. Oh, we have to get her some undies.
in.
It's too chilly for her with that dress on. Oh, Miracle. You can let the Baba sit down, baby. Let your friends see her with the passy. Go hold it in your hand. So, you guys, this is who we unboxed. We unboxed our Raw High Knee. Miracle, how did you like your baby?
She's so cute. I love her.
Did you have fun on your scavenger hunt?
Yeah.
Let Poopsie see her baby. Hi. Hi, Bright Star. Do you like Raw High Knee? She's so cute. So you guys, we want to thank you for watching.
Chanel Family Fun TV.
She's very cold and my baby's ready to get in and get some hot chocolate, right, baby? And we're going to watch The Grinch again. And we can't wait to go see Spider-Man next week.
That's
And
what
that's on her, I think it comes out on her birthday. It's December the 14th, y'all. That video is going to be epic. I'm going to tell you now. So please don't get tired of us because Mommy's going to make up for all the videos she missed. But back to our regular video. She is so cute. Friends. And so we're going to be opening these next in a future video. And yeah, we got more than 3, but we want to thank you for watching Chanel Family Fun TV. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And click it, click it, click it, click it, click it, click it, click it. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Hey, thumbs up. Hey, thumbs up. Hey.